So in this video, let me show you how to fix this problem whereby the image on your Epson projector is actually upside down like this, and you're actually looking for a possible way on how to solve the problem. So this is what you're going to do. Watch this video until the end. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to look at your projector right here. Okay, do for me this. You're going to press the menu button right here. Okay, so that you can have this display on your screen. Now I want you to make sure that you're in the option known as the extended option. As you can see, the one which is yellow right there. So make sure you're in the extended option. Okay, now we're in the extended option. Move to the right, move to access the menu on the other side by using these buttons right here, this one, and this one. Okay, I'm going to use this button right here to move to that side. Okay, now make sure you're in the projection option right here. You see that there's what they call home screen, display, then user, logo, then projection. You know they're upside down, but please try to make sure you read through them. Now you can see you're in the option of projection. It's front/ceiling. So you're going to press the enter button, this button right here. You're going to press this button. Okay, when you press that button, you come in this segment right here. Now you actually look at the front ceiling, rear, and then rear ceiling. So I want you to make sure that you turn them back to the normal way, because now you can actually see the upside down. So I want you to select the front option, use these buttons, this and this one for moving down, then this for moving up to navigate. Actually, make sure you select the front option. Okay, so that is that one. So I'm going to go to the front option right there. When you reach on the front option, come back to your projector right here, press this button right here, the one you're using to select. Okay, when you press enter, you press that button, it will actually bring you back to the normal display and they are no longer upside down. So basically, and that is how you solve the problem whereby your image is actually upside down and you actually want to fix that. Subscribe for more videos like this.